Most of us want to include more healthy whole food option in our weekly meal, but convenience always win, and we go to the supermarket and we try to find the healthy options which just branded as healthy, as good, have many stars, and you pick up that food and you look at the ingredient, you realize, oh, has stabilizer, preservative ingredient, which sometimes you even can't pronounce it and you don't know what they are. The fact is, if we develop a system to have shopping list for week and weekly meal plan, it wouldn't take any more time than going and buying from shops, and you can have better, healthier and tastier homemade food at home. For many people which strive to reclaim their health, those tiny everyday choices we make big differences in the long term. And that's the reason in this video I want to show you how you can make a simple eggplant dip, which tastes good, it's simple to make, and it's very nutritious as well. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza, former scientist, and last 8 years I was working in pharma industry, and most recently I've become healthy lifestyle coach, especially for middle-aged people. Today I want to share with you how you can prepare a lovely tasty dip, eggplant dip, which is very simple to make. You need only few ingredients, it tastes great, and also provide you a lot of nutrition benefit, and especially very good for weight management. If you are new to this channel, in this channel I every week try to provide you some science-based simple tips which you may want to add or practice it in your day-to-day life, which can help you to improve or maintain your health, especially as you get age. It's quite important which we look after our health more than usual, because at times is against us. Therefore, if something that resonates with you, maybe you want to subscribe to this channel. Therefore, you're never going to miss any of those tips in area of the nutrition, exercise, mindfulness, and many more, which I apply them, most of them, and a lot of my family and friends also got the benefit of applying some of those as well. Anyhow, without any further delay, let's start to making that eggplant dip together. Ingredient we need obviously is eggplant, onion, garlic, lemon or lime, tahini paste, grounded black pepper, fresh parsley, and a bit of dried mint. Look at that. Those eggplant, as you saw before, grill on charcoal. I'm going to start with cutting the onion. Start to fry them, just caramelize them, then I add our garlic. Adding a bit of olive oil. And the onion, a bit of salt. Going to add the garlic here. This dip's not only is simple to make and is free from additive and tastes good, but it's very nutritious because it is rich in antioxidants, high in fiber, which is great for your digestive system, tahini offer healthy
I
fats.
don't want to
Garlic
fry when
boosts
I add
our
garlic
immune
a lot.
systems
As far as
and is very low calorie, which is perfect for weight management.
Now I'm going to just peel those eggplant and put it into the food processor. Now we're going to add onion and garlic here.
Garlic and onion caramelize here.
Just going to cut this lemon and squeeze here. Some of those parsley is already washed. Maybe this is, I'll put just half of it here and use some of them. You add some tahini, about 2 spoons. 1. 2 tablespoons of tahini. A bit of dry mint, just 1 teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon of the black pepper. And just cross blend it together basically. Just you add salt as much as you like, but just I think I have just 1/4 salt.
I just want to thank you for giving your time and watching this video, and I'm really hoping you enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. And I encourage you to make that dip. It tastes great and it's very simple to make. You don't have to make it in charcoal. You can make it on the oven and the grill. But if you decide to having barbecue and you have some charcoal, just like what happened to us, and I take advantage after making my barbecue, I put some eggplant. Therefore you don't have to put it in charcoal, but obviously charcoal give a bit of more smoky taste, but you can achieve the same thing by grill in your oven as well. Anyhow, again, we get to end of this video. I just wish you all the best for this week, and please be active, eat healthy, and be curious. Bye for now.